Good Monday morning, Mad Digits. It is Monday, November the 6th. Here in the US, it is the day prior to November 7th, which is for Virginia voters. It will be the election of a new governor in the state of Virginia. All right, so let's jump right into it. My brave background for this tab is of a long lake. Beautiful. I personally am enjoying the fall. We actually have fall weather. There's been rain, so that's good stuff. All right, let's jump into what we got happening. We will start with the market cap. Okay, so as you can see, we've been hovering now for several days right near 200 billion for overall cryptocurrency market cap, with a 24-hour volume of 5.8 billion. So the market is still moving. Bitcoin, main Bitcoin, BTC, dominance still is at 61.2%. And the current price is 7,325, and that is on with a 24-hour change currently of a negative 3%. So one thing I just want to show real quick, as you learn more in the crypto space and the cryptocurrency realm, you see here for market cap, number 1 Bitcoin, number 2 Ethereum, followed by Bitcoin Cash is in third. So one thing that you'll notice when people prepare them for the hard forks and whatnot, more of a regular occurrence of what you kind of see with a lot of the day traders that are out there. If you notice here, you see BTC right at minus 3% right now. Oh, well, look what Bitcoin Cash is. Up 8.8% in the last 24 hours. So a lot of, I don't have any idea why my FaceTime popped up on there. A lot of day traders are what drive that. Okay, you see a lot of the dips if you pull the charts up and you compare them, what you'll see usually is a decline in Bitcoin and a rise in Bitcoin Cash, and that is just the day traders trading stuff back and forth. Really hasn't affected the overall market cap at all. BTC dominance has been above 60% for a good 3 or 4 days now, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so if we head over to what do we have? What is the talk on Bitcoin.com? I like to go there. I feel that the news is more up to date. So one of the big one I've seen some reports over the last several days is there's several Ivy League schools, Yale, Wharton, Haas. They offer blockchain tech courses. That continues to increase in popularity. Some of them you can sign up for online. When I first was learning about Bitcoin, Coursera offers, you can go sign up if you type like Bitcoin. If you Google Bitcoin and Coursera, it will pop up with free courses. So you can teach yourself about blockchain via Coursera, which now over 100 million people have done so. Bjork is going to embrace cryptocurrency with her upcoming album launch. That's awesome. Bjork's been around a long time. Go figure over here, the talk of China monitors booming OTC Bitcoin market after shutting down the exchanges. As we know, all the FUD that China threw around, they're trying to quickly recover because, of course, it did absolutely nothing to Bitcoin. There's still a lot of talk out there. Publishers, people in the crypto space are trying to make sure that they continue to publish articles about scams, how to avoid them, or what to look for. I've seen, there's a couple people that I follow that I've seen becoming more popular is traveling around in Bitcoin. So there's a current one going around with movie stars, South Korea versus USA, on how to survive on Bitcoin for a week. You can tune into that if you want to get any information about that. More plans for SegWit 2X. This is the last week to position yourself if you want to take advantage of the split. I suggest if you're going to do so, you do it sooner than later so that all your money settles in the right place. Coinbase, my personal opinion, probably the more stable. I noticed blockchain, a lot of the popular wallets have also announced what they're going to do. Basically, most people are just going to go with whatever the main chain ends up being. If we switch over to Cointelegraph, we see Bitcoin ranked 32nd global currency by physical money supply, and that's by BitGo. So pretty awesome news there. Doesn't surprise any of us because we're above 7,500. I'm sorry, we're up currently at like 7,260. A lot of speculation on some of the correction that we've seen. But also consider we were going into the weekend. So a lot of the day traders do Monday through Friday. I think that's about all I wanted to talk about now. How excited are you guys for the move? I'm still trying to see. We still are on track. One of the other big crypto investors out there upgraded their original article that talked about $10,000 Bitcoin by February. Now they're saying 12,000. So position yourself. Message me, like, subscribe, share, get in on Bitcoin. To the moon.